Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. I'm here to explain you these 11 questions. So how to write them, they're solution required questions. As we told, when we read the question, we don't read till the end. We have to read, we need to read partially, not to get overwhelmed. Pool with a volume of 45 cubic meter is being filled with water over a period of 18 minutes, as shown in the graph. So let's analyze the graph. Here we have time volume. So this part, it's linear function. It's not the same rate as this part and this part. They have different rates, obviously. So we have to analyze the rates. From 0 to 8, it's 8 minutes. Okay, from 0 to 9, it's 9 cubic meter. So in 8 minutes, the first graph, in 8 minutes, it fills 9 cubic meter, right? So if we want to find the rate per minute, what part will be filled, let's find a 9 over 8, 1 whole 1 over 8. The second part, as you see, it's the change in time is 4 and change in volume is 21. Or not 21, 11, right? Oh, sorry, 21. So what we do in 4 minutes, 21 meter cube, and the rate will be 21 out of 4, which is 501 out of 4. And the third part says that in 6 minutes, okay, it is filled 15 cubic meter. Okay, so we write the rate is 15 over 6, which is 2 whole 3 out of 6 or 2 whole 1 over 2. Now the second part, what percentage of the pool is filled during the time interval when the water flow rate is at its lowest. So guys, the lowest rate, as you see, do not look at the picture, it might be tricky. It's based on our calculation, 1 whole 1 out of 8. This is the uh, part we want to look. Okay, so they say what percentage of the pool is 50 cubic meter, and this part here 9 cubic meter is filled, right? The question says at its lowest rate, so we are taking this 9 cubic meter. Okay, so multiply by 100 to show as a percentage will be 9 times 100 over 50. Let's cancel. It's 9 times 2, which is 18. Okay, this is our correct answer. So first part is this. You will get credit for this if you do this. The second part is the calculation part, and the third part is the answer. Number two, in triangle ABCC is 90-degree and AD is the angle bisector. So this triangle is not isosceles, it's not mentioned, just angle bisector, yeah? So we have to recall the angle bisector property. If it's for isosceles triangle, when they say angle bisector, we have to treat it as median or height, okay? Right now we don't do this. We just recall the formula in a triangle. Let it be our triangle. If AD is our angle bisector, it's A here. Okay, we write AB over BD equals to, so when it's angle bisector, AC over DC. Or it can be rearranged this way. AB over AC equals to BD over DC. As you see, the product still uh, stays the same, okay? All right, so the second part, let's write the second part, because what is given, AB is 30 and CD to DB ratio. As you see, this to this ratio is 3 to 5, yeah? So it's better to write AC to AB, this ratio as 3y to 5y. Again, we can write AC to AB equals to CD to DB. Okay, from here we can see that AC to AB equals to 3 to 5, and we just say ACE to be 3y, AB to be 5y. All right, so we don't use X anymore, it's already used. Now what we see is 30, 5y has exact value 30, y equals to 6. After finding y, we can write 3y equals to its AC side, all right? 3 times 6 is 18. So you have AB side, you have AC side. Okay, this is AC side here. To find CB, why we need to find CB? Because the question, the third part, find the area of triangle. To find the area, we just recall the formula A equals to 1/2 A times B. Okay, so it's 1/2 uh, A times it's 18 times the other leg will be. Let's look at it. It's what? Guys, we don't know what is x, but we can find the third part. Okay, let's not hurry up. This is area formula. To find b, let's write b squared equals square root of c squared minus a squared. It's Pythagoras theorem. Yeah. So if you have 3y equals 2, as we found 18, 5y equals to 30, how can we find this side? Let's reduce these numbers. Okay, so by 6 we can do 5 and 3. So it must be 4, but we don't just keep as 4. We have to multiply by 6 because we uh, simplified by 6. But guys, remember, using Pythagoras must be this way. 30 squared minus 18 squared, okay, equals to, you have to show your working. Just writing 4 times 6, 24 is not enough to get full mark, okay? So you have to write 30 minus 18 squared this way, and then 24, or just calculate and then write 24. Okay, so if that's 24, let's write area equals area of the triangle 1/2 18 times 24. Okay, so 18 and 2 can be cancelled. Don't forget that 18 has a denominator of 1. It's 9 times 24, which is 6, and 9 times 2, 18, and plus 3, 21, 216. Okay, guys. Um, Next question is number 3. All right, guys, let's analyze one more time what we did. The first part was just interpreting the word bisector. According to that, we figured out AC. Okay, this is our first part. Let it be first part. The second part was that after AC using the Pythagoras, yeah. And the third part was finding area. All right. Now, the number 3, find the symmetrical point of the vertex of parabola with respect to the origin. Guys, this is quadratic function. Uh, how to approach, like in quadratic function, guys, we have to know how to sketch the function. In this case, we can find x vertex, y vertex with the formula, guys, because we want vertex of the parabola. X vertex negative b over 2a, y vertex just plug x vertex in the formula, or just write this way: y vertex equals to, I will clear this part, negative, okay, discriminant over 4a, or b squared, 4ac minus b squared over 4a, doesn't matter, but I don't use any of them. What I do is just complete the square formula. Y equals x squared minus 4x plus 8 can be written. As you know, from IGCSE, x squared minus 4x can be, this is our b, yes? We divide by 2 squared and minus 2 squared. What is b here? You will just square it separately and plus 8. So x minus 2 squared minus 4 plus 8 equals to x minus 2 squared plus 4. And then we just pick, according to the formula, y form, it's called vertex form, x minus x vertex squared plus y vertex. We just pick x vertex equals to 2, yeah, because after minus, what number is, it's our x vertex. Y vertex is 4. So now this is done. Okay, this is our first part. The second part, find the symmetrical point with respect to the origin. This 2, 4, respect to the origin, which means 0, 0, will be converted to negative 2 and 4. Guys, if you negative 2 and negative 4, you may think why, just show it on the graph x, y. When it's 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, you want to find a symmetrical point, the mirror, yeah? uh, like you assume the center is the O, and this is like mirroring it. Okay, so it will be here, as you see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 4, 1, 2, positive, negative 2. Okay, so this is our final answer. We have had to find the symmetrical point of the vertex. Hope it's clear. If you do with this ways, it's fine. It's the same answer. Here you will say that A coefficient is 1, B coefficient is negative 4, C coefficient is 8. Just check with this way if you can get the same answer. Next question is number 4. In a tourist group of 20 people, the average age of women is 24 and the average age of the men is 29. If the average age, okay, let's stop here. Okay, tourist group 20 people. Totally, we have 20 people. Okay, x plus y. Let's write number of men plus number of women equals to 20. The average age of women is 24. It means that number of, if you remember, average formula for arithmetic mean is the sum of all, let's say, elements. Yes, sum of uh, everything, sum of age of men or woman. Okay, divide by number of men or women. Okay, so in here to find the sum of men and sum of ages, doesn't matter men or woman, you multiply average by number of men or women. All right, so from here we can find sum of women. Okay, let's write w here, equals to 24 times n. Okay, let it be 24 times w. Okay, number of women. All right, so this is sum of women, 24 w, and sum of men equals to the average age of men is 29, so it's 29 the number of men. Yeah, and what we get is, okay, it's written that if the average of age of all tourists, guys, all tourists, right? So sum of the all tourists, sum of men plus women, age of men plus women equals to what is it? 26 times the number of men and women. Yeah, 26 times. We already know the number total is 20. How many women are in the group? So what we have is this, guys. Let's just show it this way. We when we add sum of ages of women, which is 24w, and sum of ages of men, which is 29m, men, equals to the sum of ages of all, right? 26 times 20. Okay, shortly you can write this part, and then w plus m equals to 20, and solve simultaneous equations. All right. So you can pause if you did not get analyzed one more time. I will solve it quickly. 29m equals to 26 times 2520. And we can scale it up by 24. 24w plus 24m equals to 480. Okay, so let's eliminate by subtracting 5. M equals to, it's 40. M equals to 8. If number of men is 8, what will be number of women? 20 minus 8, which is 12. All right, guys, I hope it's clear. You can again analyze. It was a little bit long. There were words. You don't need to write with this long words, but this part, if you write it, it's enough. Okay, you will get your full mark. Next question. If the diagonals of the squares lie along segment AB with a length of 6 square root of 2. So length of squares, AB with length of, there's AB, okay, it doesn't matter. This is AB or this one or this one. It doesn't matter. Let me draw AB this way as it is diagonal. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can draw this way as well. Okay, and it's 6 square root of 2. We have all 3 squares. We have 3 squares. Let it be first square. Okay. Uh, I have to draw AB under 45 degree. Okay, so all right, let me draw the squares first. First, second, and third. Yeah, they lie okay, as if they are connected, okay? AB. So what we need to do is just write AB equals 6 square root of 2 and then relate this sides because we need perimeter, right? Sides, let it be x, x the small, y, y, z, and z. Now, if we connect the side with the diagonal, we know that this is 45, 45. It will be x squared of 2 according to the right angle triangle. Okay, you can use Pythagoras or just know the rule. If this is y and y, this will be y squared of 2. Okay, it's from right angle triangle, guys. If this is z and z, this will be z squared of 2. And in total, AB consists of x squared of 2 plus y squared of 2 plus z squared of 2. Okay, which is square root of 2 out, x plus y plus z. And it's given that this is 6 square root of 2. It's the actual value of AB. Cancel them, you will see x plus y plus z equals to 6. Guys, until this, if you write this here, you will get 1 mark for that. The second is this part, okay, 2 marks. And if you figure out the correct answer, you will get your full mark, okay? So guys, what do you think? What will be the answer? If we are looking for the perimeter, just interpret it as 4x plus 4y plus 4z equals to 4x plus y plus z. And we know already x plus y plus z is 6, and our answer will be 24. Okay, guys. So I hope it's clear. Now let's change color. The graphs show how the amount of water flowing from tap A used to fill the pool and tap B used to drain the pool depends on time. So let's look at the graph. Amount of water, as you see, it has both of them have different rates, right? For A, let's find the rate. In 2 hours, it fills 18. Okay, it's filling. Okay. Then uh so for 1 hour, it's x. Let's find x. Now we say x equals to 9 meter cube, right? It's meter cube. Okay, it fills per hour 9 cube meter. At the same time, B drains the pool, right? As you see, in 3 hours, it drains 15 cube meter. In 1 hour, all the time, look for one okay unit x or y. So y will be here, as you see, 15 divided by 3, 5 cube meter. So you will get 1 mark for that. You did something. And then if both taps are turned on at the same time and remain open for 8 hours. In 8 hours, guys, what happens? 9 times 8. A does 72 meter cube, like it fills 72 cube meter, and B drains 5 times 8 equals to 40 meter cube, right? Okay, so if they work together, let's see, 72 subtract 40 because 40 is like a drain, B drains, equals to 32, yeah, meter cube if they both work together in 8 hours. What percentage of 50 cube meter, okay, 32 out of 50 will be, guys, 64%. This must be the correct answer, okay? This part gives you the second, like you do this part, you get 2 marks. This is 1 mark, okay? And the third mark you can get from there. Next question, number 7. In triangle ABC, angle C is 90, BC is 8. Okay, this part is 8. And points M and E are midpoints of the sides. Guys, whenever you see midpoints, immediately write X, X, Y, Y. Okay, like left and right sides are equal. Z, Z. Okay, so midpoints of sides, we read this part. Now let's again work with the picture. We know that when the midpoints are connected, that it's going to be called midline, and midline is parallel to the opposite base and the half of the base. If this AB is consisting of 2z, it must consist of 1z, right? XX, it means X. YY, it means Y. Okay, so you do your work on the picture and then read the next part. If the area of triangle M and E equals to 10 centimeters squared, Find the length of AC is question, guys. Just again, in right angle triangle, and the area is A times B over 2 in right angle triangle. Okay, so we have, as you see, the hypotenuse here, we have 8, we need x over 2, which is, let's write 4x quickly. To find this x, it's consisting of 2x, guys. Let me write. Later, we will deal with that part. All right, guys. To find 2x, what we need to do, guys, if you just as a formula write that, here we have, guys, if you don't write this part, okay, like you did not work, you did not conclude anything from the picture, and if you say if this is area, one area, the others are the same areas, and the triangle consists of 4 areas, you will not get full mark, believe me. You have to show why all those areas are equal. Because of this, because let me go back. And because of the size, guys, the triangles appear to be congruent triangles. Okay, y, x, z. You see, this has the area of 10. Again, y, x, z, 10. Y, x, z, 10. And y, x, z, 10. Okay, you see in total 40 meters squared, centimeters squared, right? Centimeters squared. And now you can say, yes, if that's 40 centimeters squared, let me write not to x, some other unknown a. We can write 8 times 8 over 2 equals to 40, and then 8 times 8 equals to 80a equals to 10. This will be our answer. It will give you full mark. If you do this part, for example, this part, you will get 1 mark, okay, or half mark. Maybe it's like out of 2 marks, okay. So you will get half, and for this, you will get another part, a half. Okay, number 8. The diagonals of parallelograms A, B, C, D, and C, E, F, M, whose total perimeter is 34, lie on the same straight line. Guys, when you read the first sentence, try to work with the picture, okay? There is nothing in the picture, but don't hesitate to label the sides. For example, it's given parallelogram, right? In parallelogram, you know the opposite sides being equal, right? Y, Y. And let it be, okay, let's this way, Z and Y and Y. A and A, the opposite sides are equal, B and B. All right. So if you do this and write that whose total perimeter is 34, parallelograms total perimeter. If you write like it's consisting of 2x plus 2y plus 2a plus 2b, yeah, the total 34. If you write x plus y plus, if you take 2 out, let's write x plus y plus a plus b equals to 34, and x plus y plus a plus b equals to 70. Until this part, you will get some credits for that, guys. Even you did not read the rest of the question, okay? This gives you partial points. If AB is 13, now here's turning point. AB is 13. Find the sum of the perimeter. AF is the 13. Find the sum of perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, ABC and CFM. Okay, some of these triangles perimeters, some of perimeters of this triangle is what, guys? Let's interpret the second part. Will be x plus y plus AC, right? Plus y plus a plus b plus CF. And what we see, AC plus CF, isn't it x plus y plus a plus b? Let me write this way. Isn't AC plus CF AF? Okay, so you know x plus y plus a plus b is 17. AF is, it's given 13. So the answer will be 13. So you see, it's not that hard when you label the, how to say, diagrams, or how to say, pictures, okay, sketches. Now, next question, number 9. A rectangular metal sheet with area of S2 is cut into the shape of a rectangle with area of S1. Okay, and there is another part. This is called S2. Based on the given figure, express the width of the remaining part of. Okay, this is the question. A is the question. Now, guys, S2 is this. You can work. You can figure out this 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. As you see, it's x plus 3 times something, right? So all the time, the best way is to plug x equals to negative 3. When you plug negative 3 instead of x, you see negative 3 plus 3 will be 0 times something, yeah? So it turns out our equation will be 0, right? Expression, sorry. If you plug x equals to negative 3, our expression is 3. I'm just telling it as additional information. When you have a factor, you just write x equals to negative 3, opposite of this number, and plug it here if there is some unknown. But right now, it's not about that. All right, what's it about? Let's figure out the factors of expression. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and we can break 6 down as 1 and 6, or negative 1 and negative 6. So 1 and 6 does satisfy 7. The sum must be 7. So what we do, 2x squared plus 1x plus 6x plus 3 equals 2. And now we group 2 by 2. It's x out, 2 plus 2x plus 1 plus 3 out, 2x plus 1. As you see, 2x plus 1 is our next factor, okay? 2x plus 1. This, it must be our width, yeah, 2x plus 1, because oh, the length is the width is x plus 3, the length is 2x plus 1. Now we have s1. Guys, s1 has the same x plus 3 as a factor. So s1 is x squared plus 7x plus 12. You can pause the video, try to factorize it, okay? You can do with other ways, discriminant doesn't matter. The product is 12. It consists of 2 and 6, or 3 and 4. So let's do 3, 4, because the sum is 7x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. It will be x out, x plus 3, and then plus 4 out, x plus 3, x plus 3 out. X plus 4 is our next length, okay? X plus 4. Now you can guess what will be A. A will be just the difference of 2x plus 1 and x plus 4. Don't forget to put brackets, because before the expression you have minus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 4 will be x minus 3. Okay, guys, you can check yourself one more time. I may say make some mistakes. So the most important thing is that you understand the process. All right, so the first part was factorizing the first expression. Second part is factorizing the second expression, and the final part is to understand A. Okay, now number 10. Number 10. Okay. A box has 2 red and 4 yellow folders placed on top of it. The total height, okay, we see it from the picture, okay, no need to analyze. The total height of the box and these folders is 68. Okay, as you see, everything is 68. The thickness of a red folder is 2 times that of a yellow folder. Let it be x. No, let's smaller ones be x, okay, and your red one will be 2x. Plus 2 centimeter. I forgot to read plus 2. The height of the box is 12 centimeter, more than the box itself, yeah, more than the sum of the thickness of all folders. So sum of the thickness will be 1, 2, 3, 4x plus another 4x, 8x plus 4, yeah. It's 12 centimeter more than the sum, right? Okay, so this was the most crucial part to label. Find the height of the box. The thickness of folders of the same color is the same. All right. So what we see is 68. And if you collect like terms, x plus x, which we said 8x plus 4. So 8x plus 4 plus another 8x plus 4 plus 12 is 68. 16x plus 20 equals 68, 16x equals to 48, x equals to 3. This is x, guys. Box is consisting. Okay, for this you will get like having the equation is like gives you credit. The second part is solving the equation, and the third part is finding what's asked. 8 times 3 plus 4 plus 12, 16 is 24 plus 16 is 40, right? Guys, there is some flaw in this question. Uh, Something is like extra here. If you figure out, well done. Okay, without one piece of information, we can still solve this question. Okay, but you can just analyze for yourself. Okay, what information is extra here? No need for that information. I'm going to number 11. Two tangents are drawn from point A to a circle forming a right angle. All right, guys, whenever you see tangent lines, always try to connect them with radius at the tangent point to right 90 degrees there. And as you see, 390 degrees implies that the force will be 90 degree as well. If distance from point A, guys, what shape is it? It is a rectangle for now, but is it square? Let's assume, okay, we don't read the second part, work on the picture, as I said. We say everything is 90 and the point tangent lines. What we know from the common point, if you have two tangent lines, the length of AM will be equal to the length of AN. Okay, it's from circle theorems. And if this is a rectangle, we can write the opposite side equal, and then it turns out it's a square. If the distance from point A to the center O is 3 square root of 2, guys, it's 3 square root of 2. As you see, it's isosceles right angle triangle. You can say 3 square root of 2 equals to x squared of 2. X squared of 2. Or if you don't want to write this way, write x squared plus another x squared equals 3 squared of 2 squared. Okay. From here, you can get x equals to 3. Okay. Find the circumference of the circle, but what we found is the radius. Yeah, we need to find it like first part, yeah, you have to figure out it's a square. The second part, you find x. The third part is circumference formula. 2 pi r is 2 times pi times 3. It's 6 pi, and this will be our final answer. That's it, guys. I hope you found it useful. See you. Goodbye.